Borax here. Now, if you are looking for anything to remove stains, just add this to your wash and it does amazing. That's pretty much my take on this. I know there's other stuff you can use it for. You can use it for the bathroom. It says to clean and deodorize bathrooms. You can use it around the home let's see, various services, including white wallboard, countertops, glass, vinyl, and tile. So it does a lot. But I just add it to my laundry. That's the only thing I've ever used it for. If you guys ever used it for anything else, go ahead and chime in. But it does a great job to help. It says help remove stains, and that's true. It doesn't like fully remove stains, but if it's a light stain, it does help remove it. For like harder like stains that maybe sat on, you might want to add like a spray cleaner or one of those ones that you rub on. But for the most part, it does a good enough job to like just put it in and it will take care of like lighter stains or stuff that's just like, that you just happened, right? And you just threw it right in. Let's see, the flushing sound we hear is everyone leaving New York. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah. Yeah, no, but, well, there's plenty of people still in New York. I mean, it's New York. I think that there'll always be people in New York. New York's crazy though. I've been to New York City a couple times, and I'm still shocked at how many people can live in one place. Like, I can't even believe it. It's like you can't even literally walk. Like, there's just so many people. It's unfathomable. Especially like for me and you, Ricky, I'm pretty sure like there's probably no one even near you for miles. Like for me, literally, my closest neighbor is like 6 miles away. Like I can kind of see their light in the distance, all the way over there. I like having the land. So like I said, this one, Borax, the laundry booster, multi-purpose cleaner. I use it for, like I said, to enhance my laundry, especially for my whites. But you can use it on color. It is safe for color. You just add a little bit to your regular detergent stuff and your detergent cycle, and it just like enhances the color. It just makes everything seem brighter, but also it does help remove any stains. So definitely, and neutralizes any like odors. So say if it's like sports equipment or something, you always want to put this in there. All right. So you can use it for other things too, like I said, bathroom and around the house, but I've never used it for these two things. Okay.